Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Klarna card online. So, in order to do this, first of all, activate your Klarna card. So open the Klarna application and go to the cards tab. If you haven't already, activate your Klarna card. You will see your card details, number, expiry date and CVV right inside the app. You can also request a physical card for in-store use. Now, step 2 is shopping at any online store. So visit your favorite online retailer and at checkout, choose the credit or debit card as the payment method. The Klarna card works anywhere Visa is accepted online. Enter your card details from the Klarna application just like a regular card, and once the purchase is made, Klarna adds it to your app dashboard. You can select pay in 30 days, pay in 4 installments, or pay now depending on what's available for your account. And Klarna will show due dates and reminders automatically. Now, after you do this, you can also track and manage payments through the app online. Go to Purchases tab and track your order, payment schedule, and receipts. You can pay early, extend your due date, or contact support directly from the app if there's an issue with your purchase. Now, step 5 is keeping your card secure. So you can use Klarna's in-app controls to freeze or cancel your card instantly if you lose it. Also, you can enable purchase notifications to track every transaction in real time. A quick tip, Klarna cards work on most e-commerce platforms, perfect for flexible payments, subscriptions, or split purchases, all managed directly from your app. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.